Now, yes.
In the
Test time.
restaurant.
No, no.
Okay,
No,
now.
so we can put this and make a. Okay. Pull the tab. When the tab breaks, that means it's probably podróbka.
Okay. There's no pair. I want to give it this one.
Just open it and see which one you get. You might get the mystery one. Because here there are only like 3 ones.
No, it's very rare because the mystery ones are like 1 from 72.
I don't care, open it. No, the chance is 1 in 72.
Let's see which one I have. Oh, I have
Coca-Cola.
Oh, the podróbka. Look, it's almost off. The Coca-Cola sign. Podróbka.
Here you go.
And I can't believe you're continuing to buy the fake ones. You know that they're fake and you're continuing to buy. Don't stop. You're like